Hey guys, Squint here for this stock lock Sunday. I'm going to work on this lock that I just received recently. Don's Locks bought a lot of them, and he's going to let me keep one, so I chose this Lockwood. I think he said these were US made Lockwoods. They don't have the little Australian continent on there, so let's see. Yeah, I think they were made in Massachusetts, looks like. So anyway, let me get this out of here. Here's the key bitting on it. Works really good. It'll be interesting to see what's in here compared to what's in a, I don't know if it's an original or, here's the, let me show you guys the keyway real quick. You guys can see the keyway there. Alright, I'll use some bottom to keyway tension, one of these little Z-bar wrenches, and let me make sure it works while it's in the vise. Yeah, we're good. Stock lock Sunday, here we go. And where's my zoomer? Alright. Small little clicks here and there. A little touch on 5, give us a little turn. Oh, touched 4 and that opened us up. So it was a pretty quick pick. So I would really be interested to see what's in these US made Lockwoods. That was a pretty quick pick for a Lockwood. But you guys can see that we're open. I just used a little hook number 1 from Peterson. Let's see what we got inside this stock lock. We're gonna lock it back up. Use this little green thing from Trackmaster. I really like this green. It really just brings out the pins when you're trying to show them. I've noticed on my videos with the contrast. Come on, get off of there. A stubborn flathead screw. Alright, let's see what we got in this Lockwood. Okay, so it is only a 5-pin lock. It's got the capability to be 6 pins, you can see here. I don't see anything major going on. Let's see what we got here. Standard, 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 and a long standard. Alright, nothing done to the core. Still feel a lot of the graphite or whatever they put on here to. Let's see what they've done up top, if they've gotten any. These pins don't even, like the normal Lockwoods that I've always seen have these beveled edge pins. These are definitely straight flat across. Alright, let's see, tweezer. Yeah, I think these are all going to be the same, just flats. Yeah. Well, that's kind of a bummer. Well, if you guys want to see, this is what an American Lockwood looks like. Honestly, it's just a standard lock. I was surprised. I was expecting to see some type of security pin in there, but absolutely nothing. Not sure if that's the case for all of them. I may pull another one out from Don's little collection and make sure. I don't know. Anyway, that was a Lockwood, US made Lockwood, all standard pins. Unfortunately, I was hoping there was going to be some type of bevel, or I guess, yeah, I don't really see any bevel on any of these pins. I guess maybe a little bit. It's a little bit rounded on that pin, but not what I'm used to for these Lockwoods. But yeah, I guess these pins are a little bit rounded, but there are no security pins in there whatsoever. So, alright guys, well, this is what you get for Stock Lock Sunday. American made Lockwood. You guys can see the pins there. Not really anything to write home about, so I appreciate you sticking with me. And alright, this is Squint. I'll be on to the next lock.